This distraught father is inconsolable. He just wants to see his daughter. This is every parent's worst nightmare. The fire broke out in the early hours of the morning while students were asleep. In the panic, they struggled to force open doors that had little access.
Most of the kids who have died, their bodies are just close to the door. That closed door, that is where their bodies were.
There was only one exit in the most affected dormitory. Others jumped from the windows of the multi-story dorm. Some died, others are in hospital.
16 persons have since passed on, but then this creates also another problem for us, which is the anxiety among the parents trying to know who of them has lost their loved ones.
School fires have become common in Kenya. Over the years, there have been numerous cases. The worst was in 2007 when students torched their dormitory and 67 died in Machakos County. In 2017, 10 students at this girls' school were killed. It was an arson attack. In 2024, pupils aged between 9 and 14 also died in a school fire. The cause was attributed to an electrical fault. There have been several incidents this year alone.
Maybe with time we shall be able to get more information from them, but for now we cannot say much because they're also not able to say a lot. They're still processing the loss, the fear, and also the trauma.
Questions around safety regulations in boarding schools are once again being asked.
Excuse me, madam. Just tell me my daughter is among the dead. Which hospital? Period.
Experts say the causes are mainly linked to arson, negligence, and in many cases, a lack of preparedness and proper safety measures needed to protect students.
This is very terrible. If you have somebody in boarding school, especially you are male child or female, make sure that the school have ways to extinguish fire in case there is fire outbreak. If this school in Kenya have fire service and those services are at hand, this could have not get to this level, I assure you. But because of carelessness, because of maybe Africans are not willing to do the right things at the right time. I don't know why it is happening like this. It is very hard for you to hear this kind of a thing in Europe or other developed countries. Only in Africa. This is terrible. Students just die like that because of fire. If there is fire bodies, they will be able to stop this fire before it gets to this level. I don't know what is happening in Africa. Honestly, may God help us. This is a very terrible situation. Honestly, I can say to the parents that are affected, let them take heart. Death is inevitable, but it is not the right way to have death, fire, killing children. May God help us in this continent called Africa. What do you have to say? Drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's know what you think. For more breaking news like this, subscribe. See you in the next one, and bye.